Hello YouTubers, I'm Parvez and this is our 60-second video in Python GUI development with PyQt5. So in the previous video we have learned the last gradient color in PyQt5, that was conical gradient. So this is a conical gradient. In this video we are going to talk about drawing texts in PyQt5. So using a QPainter class you can draw texts. We can say that text is also a shape. So in the previous videos we have saw that by using QPainter class we can draw ellipses, rectangles, polygons and different shapes. Also you can do draw texts using QPainter class. So now let me show you an example. I'm going to just copy my window code and paste it in here, and I need to just bring change to this. This is PyQt5 drawing texts. Okay, after this we need some imports, so I need QPainter, not in here. From PyQt5.qt GUI I need QPainter. I need a QPen. Also I think I don't need a pen, I just need a QPainter. Also I need to I will say that. Okay, now after this we need to create our paint event in here. So paint event method in here, and we need to create the object of QPainter. So painter QPainter like this, and make the parent to self. So after this, now drawing text is easy. You can simply write paint dot draw text, and you need to give the position of your text. I want to give it 100, and you can write hello PyQt5 app development like this. So now let me just run this. Now you can see we have this text, hello PyQt5 app development. Also you can draw this text in, for example, you want to draw this text in a rectangle, you can do that. So for that I'm going to just open import QRect in here. From PyQt5.qt core I need a QRect. Also I need a Qt. Okay, now in here I want to create a QRect object. So you need to give the position and also the width and height like this. And after that we are going to draw our rect dot draw rect and give the rect object. After this we need to draw our text, so dot draw text. Okay, now I want to draw my text in the rectangle, and you need to give an alignment. So I want to align center and your text, so hello world. Now I'm going to run this. So now you can see how we have our text in the a rectangle. So let me just change the width to 400 and this to 300, or make it 500 by 400. Okay, now sometime you need to give some style for your these texts with HTML CSS. So for that we have another class that is called QTextDocument. So let me just import this QTextDocument. Okay. For that first I need to create a document object, QTextDocument, and now I want to create a rectangle, so I call it rect2 and QRect. 0 0 and 250 and 250. And now I need to set the text width for my this document. So take the width, and now we need to set our HTML content. So document.set HTML. So now I want be bold tag in here, and I want to write Python GUI B. Let me just choose underline like this, or you can choose italic. Development. So now if I run this, also you need to draw the text. So document dot draw contents, and you need to give your painter and also rect2. Okay, before that this should be not rector, it should be rectf. Let me just change this to rectf and change this to rectf. So now let me just run this. I think I have a problem. Oh, sorry, rectf. Okay, now let me just run this. Again, oh, and here I have a problem. Yeah, like this. Okay, now at the top you can see we have this as a bold text, and this as the development as an italic. So also you can set some font size and also color. And here you can write font size. I want it should be 10, and I need the color. I want a red color. And close the font tag, and in here you need to write a complete series. Now let me just run this. Okay, now you can see we have a nice red color in here. So thank you guys. I will add the source code to the video description. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and